Hey everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to easily set ringtones for your different contacts on your Android phone. So what we want to do is just swipe up and we want to go to the Contacts app. So Contacts right here. Now this is going to be different than the phone dialing option down here. I want to go to the specific Contacts app. Now for some reason you have some weird version of Android and it doesn't have it, just go to the Google Play Store. Type in contacts in search and go to the one that says Google LLC. Open this up. So you can see your mom, your dad, your cousins, etc. under here. We can go over to organize now. And if we scroll all the way down, they have this nice little feature called Contacts Ringtones. Set ringtones for specific contacts. So you can just tap this. And then we can go to Add Contact Ringtones. And then you can just choose someone's name. So let's go to my mom. Then we can use an app under here. I have an app called Zedge. So we might want to download this too. And it's got all these different sounds on here that I think I downloaded at one point in time. So I can just go to one now, tap it. This one says Demons, something like that. And boom, I can go through this list and I can set contacts ringtones real easy. So go to the Google Play Store. And go to search and type in Zedge, Z-E-D-G-E, and open this up. And this will allow you to pretty much download any kind of like contact, ringtone, song, etc. They have a lot of different stuff on here. So you can go to ringtones and search for anything. You can type in video game music, Halo music, or just songs or something like that and go to ringtones. And you can download them to your phone, or you can just set the contact under here. So you can go to the download option. You can set contact ringtone or set ringtone overall. So you can do it with this app too, or save it to the media folder. Look at this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.